Good. How about you? Just wondering, how much money would it take you to quit your job right now?
I'm going to be completely honest, probably more than you have. But what can you offer me?
Just how much?
10 grand.
$1 or mystery gift?
Ooh. You know what? I like to gamble. Give me the mystery gift.
All right.
Un video más, mi gente, para perder el tiempo, empecemos. Un video más, mi gente, para perder el tiempo, empecemos.
Good gift. Good gift.
You know what? That was worth more than the dollar. I'll take it.
Thank you.